guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video I'm going to be twisting my hair. I've never done this myself, but let's see how that goes. And if this is your first time here, you are so much welcome. Please do me a favor by subscribing, and when you subscribe, tap the bell beside the subscribe button and let's get started. So this is what my hair looks like. I had my wash day like 2 days ago, so it's perfectly clean, but a lot of things are happening here. Like, wait, let me turn around. A lot of things. So I won't just start twisting. I'll first of all try to detangle, finger detangle. I'm trying to go into exclusive finger detangling. So, but I'm just going to try to detangle and then we'll get started immediately. Little backstory: I washed my hair and I used tons of oil and leave-in conditioner, so my hair got really greasy. It got so greasy to the point that whenever I touch my hair, oil literally like gets all over my hand. So I had to enter the shower and like use water to rinse it out. But still, can you see how water is still in my hands, like so much? So first thing I'm going to do is to divide my hair into sections. My hair is, partially detangled. Let me say 80% detangled. So what I'm doing now is to just put them into sections, and then I can part them, and then we start the whole twisting. Okay, so we're done dividing this hair into sections. Look at this, look at that. So it's time to part, and your girl is going to wear her glasses because I'm short-sighted. Anyways, so let's see if I've actually perfected my parting skills. I just hope my ring light is not reflecting on my glasses. So because my hair is already moisturized and quite, because of the whole stuff, I put so much oil on my hair, I'm not going to apply leave-in conditioner and, either shea butter or whatever sealants that I use, because it's already moisturized. But if you want to twist your hair like this, I highly advise that you moisturize and seal if your hair is not moisturized already, depending on whatever method you use. It might be LCO or LOC. So this is a product that I'll be using. The only product I'll be using is this Sheer Moisture Coil Enhancing Smoothie. This is it. I hope you guys can see that. I've had this product for close to 2 years, and it smells so good. This is what it looks like inside. It's a very thick product. See, very thick, extremely thick product. I hope you guys can see that. So and then I'll also be using this for the ends of my hair because I don't want the ends of my hair to dry out or mess up. So I'll be using this Eco Styler. This Eco Styler has been through a lot of things with me, so I'll just use it on the ends of my hair. You see how I'll do it. The very first thing I do before twisting any section of hair that I currently want to twist is to slightly finger detangle. This is just to make sure that I don't come across any knots or tangles while I'm now twisting. So when I'm done detangling, gently finger detangling, the next thing I do is to apply the twisting butter, the Sheer Moisture Coiling Smoothie in this case. So I apply it like minimally, you don't have to apply too much, and then I twist. Like, this twisting is so simple, and when you twist and when I get to the end, what I do is I go in with the Eco Styler, I apply it to the ends of my hair, twist a little bit more and twirl it just to keep it in place. Yeah, so that's basically what I do. Slightly finger detangle the section I want to twist, apply the twisting butter, then twist. When I get to the ends of my hair, I apply the Eco Styler gel to the ends, slightly twist and then twirl, and that's it. And then I wasn't so particular about the patterns of my hair. I'm not so big on neat patterns, as this is just a twister, but I just make sure that the roots of my hair, when I'm about to twist from the roots of my hair, that I secure it very well, just so my hair doesn't start to clump together there and mat later on. hands hurt. My hands are literally vibrating. But I think we're doing good. Show you what the progress is like. Oh, I think I like it. What do you guys think? Oh, just look at the bulk of hair remaining. Oh god. Alright. We're still gonna get there. Almost. 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 So when I get to the front section of my hair, what I did was I first of all parted my hair because I wanted a side part, and I tried as much as possible to make that, neat. Now, this is what I did when I came to the front part. I just wanted to make sure that my edges weren't all over the place, like, all those tiny baby hairs weren't all over the place. So what I did was a section I wanted to work or twist on, I take my rat tail comb and then I just slightly brush it up and applied Eco Styler by all the sides, the edges to that particular section, and then I twist the normal way that I twisted the others. Just for emphasis, when I bring out a section of the front line of my hair, I just take a rat tail comb and gently brush in all the little baby hairs, gently, because these are baby hairs and they're very fragile. And when I'm done brushing them in, I just take Eco Styler and then I use the Eco Styler to brush the ends, the parts of my hair, just to make sure that my edges are fully secured. And then I twist and then I twirl with an Eco Styler towards the end, just the normal way I twisted in the first place. Whoopsie. Finally, guys, we are done. Like, I can't believe I finished. So this style took me roughly 4+ hours, and I'm going to go ahead and add some hair accessories that I got. I just love how juicy it is. By the way, I just clamped it to, do my makeup and all that. I just love how juicy the curls are and rich and moisturized they are looking. Like, I'm so proud of myself right now. Can you imagine? I advise whenever you want to do this style or whenever you want to twist your hair like this, that you use a very good twisting butter, just like this curl enhancing smoothie. I love this product so much. One thing I just love about it is that my hair is so moisturized. There's this softness and lusciousness, if there's any word like that. It gave this look and I love it so much. So I totally recommend this Sheer Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. You can use any twisting butter of your choice, and while twisting this you can do whatever you want to do. I was basically watching movies, so I didn't really feel tired, though for the first few times as I did it I was like, my hands are hurting, but with time I just got used to it. guys, this is how you can achieve juicy, beautiful twist outs on your natural hair. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you found it helpful, please subscribe, and when you subscribe, there's a bell beside the subscribe button. Just tap on the bell. The essence of tapping on the bell is so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching to this point. So until my next video, see ya.